The P0342 code indicates a low voltage signal from the camshaft position sensor A on bank 1. The camshaft position sensor monitors the rotation of the camshaft, which is essential for proper engine timing. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1, typically the front or right side in V-shaped engines. The sensor produces a voltage signal that the engine control unit uses to synchronize ignition timing and fuel injection. A low signal from this sensor can cause symptoms like rough idling, engine stalling, and illumination of the check engine light. The camshaft position sensor monitors camshaft rotation to synchronize ignition timing, fuel injection, and valve control with the crankshaft sensor. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP, monitors the rotation of the camshaft to ensure proper synchronization of engine timing. The sensor works by sending a voltage signal to the engine control module, or ECM, which uses this data to coordinate engine functions. Normal CMP signals range from 0.3 to 1.0 volts alternating current at idle and drop to near zero at high engine speeds. When the voltage drops below a certain threshold, usually 0.5 to 1.0 volts minimum, the P0342 diagnostic code is triggered, signaling potential circuit problems. The sensor is typically a Hall effect type, which detects magnetic fields, or a magnetic reluctance type, which responds to changing magnetic flux. Several issues can trigger the P0342 code, indicating a low voltage signal from the camshaft position sensor on bank 1. The most common cause is a faulty camshaft position sensor. Hall effect or magnetic reluctance sensors can degrade over time, producing voltage signals below the 0.3 to 1.0 volt threshold, leading to P0342. Damaged or corroded wiring to the sensor is another frequent culprit. Breaks, shorts, or corrosion in the harness can interrupt the signal, dropping voltage and triggering P0342. Oil contamination is prevalent in high-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles. Leaks allow oil to enter the sensor connector, creating shorts that lower the voltage output. A malfunctioning engine control module can cause P0342 by failing to provide proper power or ground, or by misprocessing the sensor data. Finally, timing belt or chain issues, such as stretching or damage, can disrupt camshaft timing and cause the sensor to detect abnormal signals, resulting in P0342. Begin diagnosis by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0342 code and check for any other related codes. Start with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0342 code and check for related codes. Next, inspect the camshaft position sensor and its wiring for visible damage or oil buildup. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage output and wiring continuity. Finally, compare your readings to the manufacturer's specifications. If the camshaft position sensor is faulty, replacement is the primary fix. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Locate the camshaft position sensor using your vehicle's service manual. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor. Remove the faulty sensor carefully. Install the new camshaft position sensor, ensuring it's properly seated and torqued. Reconnect the electrical connector and the negative battery terminal. Clear the P0342 diagnostic trouble code using an OBD2 scanner, then test drive the vehicle to confirm the repair. If the wiring is the problem, carefully inspect the entire circuit for breaks, shorts, or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged wires or connectors. Use dielectric grease on the connector to prevent future corrosion. After repairing the wiring, clear the P0342 code and test drive the vehicle. The P0342 code can sometimes be a symptom of a larger engine issue, such as a stretched timing chain or low oil pressure. A stretched timing chain can disrupt camshaft timing, leading to the sensor detecting abnormal signals. Low oil pressure may affect sensor function or indicate broader engine problems that need attention. If replacing the sensor and fixing wiring doesn't resolve the problem, investigate these potential underlying causes. Consult a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis to ensure all issues are addressed. To prevent future P0342 codes, perform regular vehicle maintenance, including oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving conditions. This helps avoid sensor contamination from oil buildup. During routine checkups, inspect the camshaft position sensor and its wiring for corrosion, brakes, or oil leaks that could cause low-voltage signals. For high-mileage or off-road vehicles, consider upgrading to more durable magnetic reluctance sensors instead of Hall effect types, which are less prone to environmental damage. Stay aware of emerging trends like AI-driven diagnostic apps that analyze driving patterns to predict P0342 faults with up to 80% accuracy, enabling proactive maintenance. The automotive industry's shift toward electric vehicles is naturally reducing P0342 incidents, as EVs don't use camshaft position sensors for engine timing synchronization.